Woo! What's up? Hey, I've been prepping for like 2.5 hours. Whew, I forgot to put filler right here on these wheels to close them up, make them look smooth. Y'all can see Scotch Brite the trunk. All this, I got a vacuum. I'm not blowing no more. I'm not blowing with the blow gun no more. It puts so much dust in here. So I'm gonna give me another shot back for the house, and I'm gonna keep this one here. I just bought a new filter for it because the filter, it got wet and then it like deteriorated inside, and I didn't even know. Probably can see it right there. So I got a new filter in it, and then I'm just turning the vacuum on, suck all the dust up. Been working pretty smooth so far. All right, now what's going on here? So y'all can see I ain't the best mask man, but I got it done. Let me tell you, if you just starting out like me, use plastic. Paper on contours takes forever, man. It took me like a whole mixtape to do this door inside. That's like an hour and some change. I'm still a rookie, so I ain't learning too many of the shortcuts and stuff like that. And then this part was already done like a couple days ago. So what I did was put the tape on the backside, lay it on there, and then trim around like that. And then all the gaps, like all the excess paper, I just stuck over my gaps like that. But yeah, that's what I did. And then it took me forever, right? And then I had some extra plastic because I keep plastic for stuff like this, wrapping up stuff like that. So I had some plastic, and I was like, let me just fold the tape in half, put the tape on, bend the sticky part over, all right? And then put the plastic on there, and it laid right on. And you just contour, cut the contour quick. You don't have to keep rolling, cutting, bending, and all that, the paper. So I just did it with plastic. It worked pretty good. So I'm taking these door jambs down. I'm literally about to spray in like 30 minutes. This trunk area. These door jambs. And then let it dry for like 2 hours. And then in the meantime, I'll probably go get like my rear end or something. So I'm trying to fill this whole day up with work. Literally, I want to be able to try to spray this car tonight. So once that's done, let it dry, take all this paper off, then start wet sanding all this primer I got to run. I put some reducing. I was just trying stuff. I put reducing in the primer, and it actually make it spray good, but it's sands too fast, like, so it's not thick enough. So I did 411 with the reducer. So I'm gonna try a 4.1.5. Try that out. But just 4.1, no reducer. It's real thick. And it don't like to come out. I have to shoot it like one coat would take like 3-4 passes to be like satisfactory to me. But this whole trunk was done with the reducing and everything. It got runs on it too. I did that a little while ago. Anyway, enough talking, man. Same thing with this. I did this in like 2 minutes. If I were to try to use paper, it took like 15-20 minutes. Yeah, no more paper for me. Only on straight stuff. And then while I had a little bit of filler still on my cardboard, I seen this, and it had a little dents and stuff in there, so I took care of that. I'm vacuuming all this up. It's too cold to go to the car wash, even though that's what I really want to do. So I'm vacuuming all this dust up, wipe it off with a rag, all that. And yeah, about to wet this floor and get it going. I'm doing a lot of talking, but to cut my music back on, finish sanding, and then try to spray this boy. Yeah, that's my goal for this weekend. Get this out, get the truck in, motor out, and then J-Rock stuff. But I might have to call him for some support, for some masking. But anyway, enough talking, man. I just wasted 5 minutes. Finna keep on sanding in my groove, wet this floor, and then shoot some dope jams. Got a lot of overspray out the air. Hey, ran into an issue, man. reaction. First time, I always seen it when I look at videos, but the heat about to cut on. Hold on. Let me go cut it off real quick. All right, I'm back. I always heard about it, but I've never had it happen. And like I said, I'm still learning, so. This was epoxy primer, and then the single stage, not single stage, the base coat. So I'm gonna show y'all what to not mix if you don't want a reaction. That and Autobahn base coats. As soon as I sprayed it the first time, I seen it like it was doing something. And then when I did the door jams and came back, it spread it. So I'm gonna take all this up, and I might have to do it right here too, because I put that right there. But I just heated it up with the gun, heat gun. Heat it up one more time, and matter of fact, it's dry now. Yep. So I'm gonna take that off too. Yep. So I'm gonna leave, come back, go get some cups so I can make some 2K. Spray this area over. But other than that, man, it's pretty smooth. I thought it was gonna go way faster than this, but I'm halfway in my day, and I only got the jam shot and still got to go backwards. But might as well gonna finish this off. Go get some base. Go get some cups, and then do what I do. But let me cut this heat back on, let this finish drying, play my music, and then just try to do what I can so I can get it done. A couple minutes later, I just mixed up some 2K primer gun. Make sure it's clean. I clean it as soon as I'm done. But make sure I ain't got no clog issues or nothing. All right, so took some MEK, cleaned it all up. I made sure this was the real 2K down here. So I got a lot of that off. About to get ready to blow it. I'm gonna have to, because I don't want to come out this crack. But other than that, man, I really don't like this base. It take a long time to dry. The flash time 5 minutes, and they say it's 70 degrees, man. It's 70 something degrees in here, and it's been flashing for like 20 minutes at a time, and it still ain't dry. And it's 70 degrees, man. Like y'all can see right here in this door, it's still wet. It shouldn't be shiny at all. It take a long time to dry. So this was a lockout prior to us getting it. I'm gonna end up taking care of that, because that's real ugly. Other than that, man, it's drying good, but the coverage sucks. Probably because it's cheap, and then it's real thick. So once I spray the car, I'm gonna put more reducer in there, so it'll be thinner, it'll dry quicker, and it'll be a little faster. And with the light on, man, I can see more dents. I'm like, man, it's like not gonna end, but I'm trying my hardest to get this done this weekend. So once I spray this clear, once I get this fixed, spray the clear, let it sit for a couple hours, I'm gonna leave and come back, and then we'll get on this side, finishing that little body work, and then getting the jam shot on that side, and wash it, let it dry, and then hopefully tomorrow, after I go get my rims mounted and balanced, we could shoot the whole car. But I want to try to do both door jams and wet sand it. That way all I gotta do is shoot the car minus the roof, because it's already done. And then hopefully Monday get the glass in and everything tightened up and this car out. So that's my goal, man. And this really don't want to get out of here. This car love me or something, but I'm tired of this car. She needs to go on. But let's shoot this real quick in this reaction area, clean it up first and scuff it again, and then get that on there and base it again.
I had some stuff right in front of the stove. I see some niggas passing on the road. I had that stuff inside me on my phone. I'm in the hood. They keep begging me to change. Talk the future of the day. And he say I need to change lanes. Cause they gon' try to.
got that done for now. Come back in like 2 hours, take this tape off and stuff, and get some of these parts put back on back here. Man, I got a dry spot right here. I went through once and looked at everything with the phone because I don't have the best lighting in here, and everything looked good. Once I pulled out the clear, because I don't have the bucket that I mixed it in no more. Once I poured it out in my paint bucket, I went and looked again, and I had one clear spot. I mean, one dry spot. But other than that, everything's good. Floor wet. Wetting that flow does the trick, man. So when I come back, I start wet sanding the whole car and then finishing all the little body work. So what I'm gonna do for this spot is keep this door. I'm gonna take all this off and then remask that spot, right? And then when I'm already shooting some clear on that side, I'll just take care of that. And I mix too much, so I'm gonna do a lesser ratio. But in total, I got 5 quarts, so I should be able to get this car done. It's like more than half a gallon. It's probably like 3/4 of the gallon left, and then 3/4 of the activator. But it's pretty sticky already. Should be good here in a second. So, what time is it now? 5 o'clock. I'm gonna come back at 7. Unmask it, and then I gotta go get some supplies like some napkins, some mixing cups, because y'all seen that big cup I was mixing with. A bunch of little stuff. So I'll try to come back tonight, unmask this, put some parts on. Try to get a little bit of everything together. I got the lights. The lights came in. Put them in tonight. Put that on my list to bring back. But yeah, I'm gonna come back tonight for like an hour and a half. Finish the body work in that door. Literally not much left in this door. Only thing left is under here. Yeah, this door pretty straight. I re-welded it right there, but it's good now. Yeah, other than that, need a wash, clean up this floor. We good. We good. Roof done. Literally almost there. Hopefully I can finish it this weekend. Tight space. But anyway, I'm out.